Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our level up series, and today our question is last day where you can still cross. It is a nice question. So let us see what this question is all about and how we can solve it. So in this question, we are given a one based binary matrix where zero represent land and one represent water. So, okay, so we will be given a binary matrix where zero represents land and one represent water. Initially, everything is land. So initially the entire matrix will be zero. Now there is another matrix given, which is cells, which indicates that on ith day, row I and Ci, that means that row and that column will be covered with water. Correct. So this is how this matrix is given. So for you can consider that this is something like this matrix. Yes. And there, for example, let us say 1 comma 1 is written. So essentially, this is the 0 comma 0th index of this matrix, whose rows and column is given. Okay. So it is one based, of course, and here coordinates are given. Now we need to find the last day where we can traverse from top to bottom by only walking on land cells. Yes, so we can't use water cells. So we need to find. So what is the question essentially? Essentially, the question is that at start, we will be given this kind of a matrix where all zeros are there. Now, according to a given cells matrix, for example, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, on each day, the one of the cell will be covered with water. This cell will be, for example, on first day, this cell 1 comma 1 means 0 comma 0 in this matrix because this is one base. So 2 comma 1 means 1 comma 0. So in next day, this got covered. This got covered. And we need to find the last day up till where we can traverse from top to bottom only using land. Only using land. We can't use water cells. So yeah, now if I see the constraints of the problem, this says that 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. And somewhere around this, sorting is allowed. Now, sorting is not required in this problem, but n log n we can sort of figure it out. N log n we can sort of think about it. So let us see what we can. Now, can I say that my answer, okay, so how many days I have? I have 0th day. I have first day, second day. How many days I have? I can say that I have row into column days. Can I, sorry, how many days I have? I can say that, okay, this day, one of the cell got covered. This day, one of another cell got covered. This day, and this day. So I have these many days. Can I say that as my answer? My answer can be 0th day. And on the first day, they covered this. So on the second day, they covered this. So either this can be second day, maybe I can reach. On third day, they covered this also, but maybe I can still reach. On fourth day, they covered that also, but still maybe I can reach. Yes. So can I say that I have these many options? Because on every day, they are covering one cell. So cells dot size, yes, this given matrix dot size is the maximum day I can have as my answer. And what is the minimum? 0th day. So 0 till a max value and complexity n log n. So something like binary search, we have a search space. We have a search space now. Something like binary search we can think of. Now we can calculate, okay, so binary search, so we will have a mid. So what does the mid indicate? The mid here will indicate that, yes, this is the right question to ask. What will my mid indicate? So my mid will indicate number of days passed. Yes, can I say that my mid will indicate number of days passed? What my mid will indicate? Number of days passed. So I have the search space. My mid will indicate those many days passed. So can I say that if I somehow make a matrix, for example, let's say my mid said these number of days passed. So I know that this will be covered with water. So I can make a matrix in which these are covered with water. And now I can traverse from top to bottom and check whether it is possible. Since I need the maximum possible, so I will store it in the answer. Now I will move rightwards. That is, I will reduce the search space to righter side so that I can move this way. Yes. So I think this way we have the approach. Now let us see the code, how we can do that. Yes. So, yes. At the start, we will be so this is my search space. I is equals to 0 to cells dot size. My answer is initially 0. I'm calculating the mid and I am passing it to a is possible function where I am passing row, column, cells and this mid value. Now let us look at the function. So essentially is possible. We need to check that given that these number of days have passed, can I traverse from top to bottom? And how can I make sure that I can traverse from top to bottom? I can use anything BFS or DFS. Hence, if I go with BFS as well. So, yeah. And what should how will I have the neighbors? So neighbors are nothing but my adjacent cells. Okay. So I will create a array starting initializing everything with 0. And then I will convert those many, yes, those many up till mid, those many cells as 1. So cells of I comma 0 minus 1 because it was 1 based indexing as 1. So I'm marking those cells as 1 up till mid. Now I will have a queue. I will push back the current row and column. Now I can start from anywhere. In the first row, I can start from anywhere. The only condition is it should not be 1. So if ARR of 0 comma I is 0, then I can start from that. So I will push that into the queue. Then simply I will do a BFS traversal, which I will calculate the row, calculate the column, then I will pop from queue. If I reach the end, that means it is possible. I will return 1. Then I'll check the neighbors. If they are 0 and they are valid, as well as at the index, the value is 0. So I will push that into the queue. So yeah, this way. So if I got the answer as true, I will reduce my search space to right side because I need the largest, largest day, you can say that. Else I will do j minus, j is equals to mid minus. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like question, make sure hit the like button, press the subscribe button and share it. Guys, we shall see you next.